Let's cut across to breaking news that's coming in right now. Arvind Kejriwal has spoken out on the assassination attempt on Sukhbir Badal and has claimed it's a conspiracy. Kejriwal claims that this is a bid to defame Punjab. Remember that Punjab right now is being ruled by the Aam Aadmi Party. Let's cut across live to Kejriwal.
में वहां पे जब रेड हुई तो वहां 518 किलो और कोकेन मिली। ये सारी मिला के 1289 किलो कोकेन और 40 किलो मैरिजुआना था, जिसकी कीमत 13,000 करोड़ रुपए थी। सारी गुजरात से आई थी। भाई साहब, आपके भी बच्चे हैं, आपके भी बीवी, आपके भी पड़ोसी, आपके भी रिश्तेदार, बोल लेने दो मेरे को। 15 नवंबर को
Okay, so we're going to pull out for you exactly what Arvind Kejriwal has said on what's played out in Punjab. Arvind Kejriwal, referring to the assassination attempt at the Golden Temple on Sukhbir Badal, the former Punjab Chief Minister, has claimed that this is a conspiracy to defame Punjab, saying powerful people are behind this attempt to defame Punjab and Punjabis. And he's also hailed the Punjab police for stopping that particular attack and assassination from taking place. But the AAP chief there seems to think and suggests that this is an attempt to go ahead and malign the image of Punjabis, to defame Punjab. That, according to Kejriwal, is the motive behind this particular attempt on Sukhbir Singh Badal's life at the Golden Temple. There have been a lot of questions being asked by the opposition of Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann over this assassination attempt, questioning whether this is really the state of law and order in Punjab, that a man with a weapon managed to make his way all the way into Golden Temple, got so close to Sukhbir Badal, and if it wasn't for that one official, security official there, who immediately stepped in and stopped the accused from firing at Sukhbir Badal, the story today would be very, very different. And because of that, Arvind Kejriwal now is crying conspiracy. Amit Bharadwaj is joining us with more details on this. Amit, you've got Arvind Kejriwal now saying that this is overall a conspiracy to defame Punjab. This is essentially the AAP's rebuttal to all the criticism over law and order in Punjab.
Yes, Akshata, in this case, what was expected is that Arvind Kejriwal will speak on the attack on Sukhbir Badal, and now the Aam Aadmi Party's strategy seems to be that this is a conspiracy to defame the Aam Aadmi Party government, or Bhagwant Mann government in Punjab. And he's also claiming as to how the Punjab police was on alert, and they were able to, in a way, get that hold of the person, the attacker, immediately. So he's also patting the back of the Punjab police, and moreover, on this particular moment, he's also trying to bring back the attention on the national capital's law and order situation. So while he's speaking on the attack which happened on Sukhbir Badal in Punjab, in Golden Temple, on the other side, he's also trying to bring back the focus on Delhi's law and order situation. Training guns at the Home Minister, claiming that ever since Home Minister Amit Shah has taken charge of the Delhi's law and order situation, the situation in the national capital is in shambles as far as the policing and law and order situation is concerned. Through one address, Arvind Kejriwal trying to make 2 points. Number one, what happened in Punjab.
He's been raising the issue of law and order in Delhi to pin the blame on the Home Minister Amit Shah, on the central government. I want you, Amit, to stay on with us. Let's listen to what Arvind Kejriwal had to say.
पंजाब में सुबह जब ये घटना घटी तो पूरी बीजेपी और इनके सारे नेता और पूरी मीडिया पंजाब में लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की पोजीशन को उठाना चालू कर दिया। पंजाब में तो हमने एक घटना को घटने से रोक लिया, लेकिन जब दिल्ली के अंदर सरेआम मर्डर हो रहे हैं, सरेआम शूट आउट हो रहे हैं, पूरी राजधानी गैंगस्टर्स के कब्जे में है, जगह जगह नशा बिक रहा है, महिलाओं के साथ बलात्कार हो रहे हैं, तब पूरी की पूरी बीजेपी ऊपर से नीचे तक चुप हो जाती है। और जब इनसे पूछा जाए तो इनके बड़े बड़े नेता कहते हैं क्राइम तो मुद्दा ही नहीं है,